Hello beautiful family, thank you all for clicking on this video. I hope you all are doing so well. Today I want to share with you how I made this delicious Hausa WAAKYE stew recipe. Okay, this is very easy and very well prepared. So if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe to my channel, and while you're subscribing, don't forget to hit that bell also and be part of this beautiful family. Thank you so much for doing that. Okay, so to start with, I'm going to fry some chicken, which I've cooked it already. I don't want to make this video too long, that's why I'm making it sharp. So I'm going to fry this chicken until it is nice and golden brown. So whilst that is going on, let's go ahead and blend some vegetables and some spices. So I have within here some garlic, fresh onions, and some chopped onions. To that, I'm going to add in some garlic cloves. I'll leave the ingredients and the amount of everything I use in the description box for you to check it out. So I added in some anise seed, dried rosemary, and some cloves. Add some water to it and blend until it is nice and smooth. Alright, so our chicken is well fried now. Just look at how it has turned into the perfect golden brown color I am looking for. This looks so perfect and very crunchy as well. So I'm going to set this aside and move on onto my next stage. Okay, so right now I'm going to use the same oil I use in frying this chicken to do the stew as well. Alright, so to that same oil, I'm going to add in 2 bay leaves to give the oil extra flavor. I added in some dried rosemary and some anise seed. Stir everything together and add in your chopped onions. Okay, so we're going to saute this onion for about 1 to 2 minutes for it to release its own flavors to the oil very well. Okay, and if you haven't liked this video yet, babe, what are you waiting for? Please do well to like it for me. Okay. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and add in our blended vegetables and our spices. Give this a very good stir and add in your pepper. So today I didn't add in fresh pepper. I choose to add in powdered pepper. If you want the fresh pepper, go ahead and use it. It is your own food and feel free to express yourself in your own unique way. Okay, so I added in 2 tablespoons of powdered pepper. I'm going to give this a very good mix. Then I'm going to cover this to cook on medium heat for about 10 to 15 minutes. Alright, so after 15 minutes of cooking this, it is ready. So I'm going to give this a very good mix and I'm going to add in my tomato paste. Okay, so I'm using frozen tomato paste because I want this to cook really well. I'm going to add in my chicken stock. Okay, so I'm going to add that for it to cook really good and also add extra taste to the stew. Give this a very good mix and allow it to cook on medium heat for about 10 to 15 more minutes. And to my returning and new subscribers right here, you guys are too much. High five to everyone. Thank you for liking, commenting, sharing my videos. Your girl is very grateful. And if you haven't subscribed as well, do well to subscribe and be part of this beautiful family. While you're doing that, don't forget to hit that bell also and be part of this beautiful family. Alright, so after extra 10 minutes, I open it and my tomato is still not ready. So I'm going to cover this again to cook for extra 10 more minutes. And just look at that. The tomato stew is looking it's looking all perfect right now. So I'm going to give this a very good mix again. Then I'll add in any seasoning of my choice. So the seasoning is always to your taste. So I use 1 teaspoon of curry powder. I also added in 1 tablespoon of tomato stew seasoning powder, all-purpose seasoning, ground cinnamon powder, and a salt to taste. The salt is always to your taste. So to that I added in some shrimp powder as well. And as usual, I am making WAAKYE stew, so obviously I am going to use shrimp powder or fish powder. It's very important in this stew recipe, so if you don't like it, trust me, you are not going to enjoy it. You are going to enjoy it as a regular stew, but when you add in this shrimp powder or fish powder, it turns out to be the street WAAKYE stew recipe that you are looking for. So now I'll go in with the rest of my chicken stock and add in the rest of my meat. So I'll add in my fried chicken. I also have some leftover goat meat over there. I have some Whele as well. Give this a very good mix and allow your stew to simmer down very well. So when you see that your stew has released a lot of oil, or the oil has settled on top beautifully, that means your stew is ready. So we're going to cook this on medium heat for about 10 to 15 more minutes. Okay, so now our WAAKYE Hausa stew recipe is ready. Just look at that, fam. I tell you, this stew is really delicious. I really enjoyed myself with my WAAKYE. So I hope you're going to try this recipe and leave a comment down below after doing that. Okay, so now let me know in the comment section what you think about this WAAKYE stew recipe. I will be enjoying mine with WAAKYE. You can also enjoy yours with banku, fried plantain, yam, plain rice. Any way you want to enjoy yourself with this, it goes well with everything, guys. Trust me on this one. So I garnish my stew with some green pepper to make it very colorful, and just look at that. This stew was on another level, trust me on this one. Thank you so much for watching this video to this point. And if you've watched this video to this point, trust me, you are a proud foodie member. And if you haven't subscribed as well, please do well and be part of this beautiful family. Thank you for watching.